Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. We're going to check in on the just enough room building there, that one diagonally to the right across the intersection. It looks like they've, at least for the front, they've completed the brick facade. They've put windows in. This is from my observation from here. It's the guys in the orange shirts. Why do they have to wear orange shirts? Because there's moving equipment over there and they don't want to get them run down. You think? Okay, there's turning traffic going and we're going in a moment. They still have some kind of plastic up on the roof, so that means it could leak until they finish the roofing. Alright, we got green now. Traffic's moving. Look to the diagonally to the right, to the right. The crew is there. There's still more dirt, so they've got more cement to make, but the facade looks good. Remember, they were up on scaffolding and there's 4 or 5 guys were doing it. Another guy was making up the cement mix. And we come around like this and we get a view of the back of the building and some of the side of the building. See, okay, on this side facing the road, they've got the glass in there. They've got a window here at the back and the glass is in it. There's a jut out thing with 2 low windows, whatever the purpose of that's going to be. And it's not a square building, there's a slant face, and that has the glass in it also. I say glass, it's probably plastic. Plexiglass. I work for the company that invented plexiglass. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to loop. Alright, we see their trash, we see cables, so they're doing electrical work inside. That's my interpretation of the waste cable pieces. They just brought a bobbin of something out that's brown. See, it's sitting there. They still have some bricks left, so the facade construction is not finished, and they're putting the cinder blocks inside, probably to keep people from stealing them. Who knows? Do you know what this little green machine is down there? Now the guy's closing the back door, and it's almost 5 o'clock, so it's the end of the workday. And this was this guy. See, there's the waste bucket. We see some cable, what I take to be electrical cable. Wait a minute. This is off topic, but I'm going to do it. It's not quite banana color, but it's close. It's not quite banana color, but it's close. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I can't make out what the make is. You guys tell me. So we're going to go around the front for a moment. As though we're going into the AT&T. There's an arrow there. And we can swing around like this. So they have this wooden structure here. See, they've brought something in a frame. That's what that black thing is, but I'm not sure what that is. That might have something to do with the facing of the building, or it might be something inside. And that parking, they haven't paved in the new parking spaces yet. Okay, so this is an update on the building that I call just enough space. Up, Steve AB4L, just being nosy, still shopping, saying see you at 73.